Hello again and welcome back to my channel. I'm James of jamesreeseonline.com and I'm here to bring you another review from the world of online business. Thanks for watching this video, AddSlice review my 3 concerns. Now for transparency, I am not affiliated with AddSlice nor am I a user of the product. But before we get fully underway, I ask that you click like and please subscribe to my channel so that the videos I make can be delivered up to you. Also, please watch this video all the way to the end so that you have the full information that I've gathered for you so you can make an informed decision for yourself about AddSlice. Also, for staying with me to the end, I have a free gift for you, so be sure that you stick around. AddSlice is a company that says they will pay you in slices for the time you spend watching ads online. These slices they pay you are a form of currency in their ecosystem that accumulate until you reach a threshold for payout. And that threshold is very low as 35 cents of the payout. Then you can convert these slices into cash through PayPal or you can turn them into Bitcoin. Now, they are touted as paying as much as $1.22 per ad watched. And the idea is that you are browsing the web anyway, so why not get paid for every ad that is loaded on the pages you visit? Now, right away, I have some concerns about this business model. My first concern is in the way they track your ad watching, and that's through a Google Chrome extension. This may not be a concern for some people, but I like to know and trust a company before I install a possible security vulnerability onto my browser. Installing an extension might seem easy for some folks, and it is, but it's a red flag for those who value their privacy and security. Many of us are cautious about granting browser access to third-party extensions. And let's face it, not everyone's a fan of Chrome. My second concern has to do with the earning potential of AddSlice. AddSlice promises a way to earn some extra cash while you browse. Ads load in, and you get paid. But to be honest, the earnings are very underwhelming. Some users report spending the time getting the extension installed and set up, only to have no ads load or no slices rewarded. And some are even reporting that the $1.22 per ad line is just that, only a line. On their own website, AddSlice states that the average payout per month is only $5. At $1.22 per ad, that would only be 5 ads a month that people are watching. Why aren't more people making much better returns than $5 a month? Are they not watching more than 3 ads? The message about the payout and the potential there seems inconsistent to me. And that's my third concern, inconsistencies in the information provided. Besides the large question about $1.22 per ad versus only a $5 per month average payout, there are questions about which ads get paid. Some users have reported that the only ads that will generate slices for you are when you're browsing on YouTube or Google. If you go to specific web pages, then the ads there don't generate any slices for you. This doesn't seem like what AddSlice advertises itself to be, where you just browse around the web and get paid for ads that load in. On Trustpilot.com, AddSlice has a 4.6 star review out of 5, and this is very high. At the time of this recording, there are 3% of reviewers who give the program only 1 star. So please take a look at the reviews, both positive and negative, before you jump in yourself. So after my research, I'm not convinced that this is worth my time or my efforts. It doesn't seem to be a scam, but the possible security risk of installing an extension, the tiny earnings potential, and the inconsistencies in their messaging, well, these are all concerns to me. If you're considering it, then please be wise and do your own research and reflect on the downsides before committing resources to this business model. This is just not for me. I have found an online business that does appeal to me, and I think it's a better, more sustainable, and much, much better paying model than what AddSlice can be. And that is high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing has many advantages over AddSlice. With high-ticket affiliate marketing, what you're doing is you're promoting other people's products for large commissions, some up to $1,000 or more. Unlike AddSlice, this is a business model with the potential to let you quit your 9-to-5 job. With high ticket affiliate marketing, there's no product creation, there's no stock to hold, there's no staff needed, and you can do it all from home while still maintaining a full-time job. There are also many free and low-cost tools to get you started, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. And because I believe in the potential of high-ticket affiliate marketing for you, I'm offering you the free gift I mentioned at the start of the video. I have provided for you a free cheat sheet that lays out 3 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job using high-ticket affiliate marketing. Simply click on the link in the pinned comment below and you can have access to that free information. Thank you again for watching this video, AddSlice Review My 3 Concerns. That's all I have for now. If you did enjoy this video and got anything out of it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, let me know your thoughts, any questions you have in the comments below, and don't forget your free gift in that pinned comment that's also below. Now, let's get out there and let's go do something great.